Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your broken broomstick. You don't need to buy another one. You will notice when you go to the supermarket, the price of a broomstick has gone up very exorbitantly, especially after the ban on logging. So let's reuse the ones that we have and save some money along the way while saving some trees from getting cut down. Okay, so if your broomstick happened to break down, what you're going to need to repair it is a blade. You can substitute that for a knife at home, a screwdriver, that is a star, a flat screwdriver, a mark pen or a Sharpie, a mallet, some screws about 3/4 inches long, and also you're going to need a drill. If you do not have a drill, you can use a piece of metal, put it in the fire and use it to poke a hole into the plastic. Okay, assuming that your broomstick has a plastic support like mine. Okay, so to start with, you notice that after your broom breaks down, it leaves some residue, some piece of wood inside. Okay, so that's why we are going to use the flat screwdriver. Put it in there and use your mallet, give it a little hit, and then we are going to chip off those pieces of wood. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can see now we have a clear space which otherwise would fit a new broomstick which comes with the thread. Okay, so begin by shaving off some piece of wood like so. For extra finesse, if you have some sandpaper, just sand down that bottom part. Then once we're done with that, the next step of course is to drill a hole where we are going to put our screws. Remember, don't put very long screws. These are 3/4 inch long, so that's going to be enough. So what you're going to do is that we are going to drill a hole on this end, and we are going to drill another at this opposite side. Also remember, you don't need so many screws, otherwise you'll end up breaking that piece of wood. So let's see. So using your drill, or as I said, get a piece of metal, put it in the fire until it gets red hot, and then so take your screws and gently start fastening that part like that. So that's how you fix your broomstick once it breaks. And remember, as I advised you, is that after you've used it, to clean it, especially with water, don't leave it with the broom head on the floor, because the water will not be able to drain from that hole. If it stays in that hole, it makes this wood rot and it ends up breaking very easily. Also, another tip, when you go to the supermarket, avoid buying the broomsticks that are coated with plastic, because what happens, that is not a decoration. As you have seen, those bits of plastic come off very easily, but they do it as a way to hide cracks in wood. So what they do is that if they notice there are cracks in the broomstick, they select those to be illuminated with the plastic, so that when the client goes to the supermarket to buy a broomstick, they'll buy that one and not knowing that it has deformities and cracks. So always go for the one that is not coated like this one. This one has been with me for years, more than 6 years now, and it has only broken once. And now I know how to better take care of it. So I'm sure you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, share with a friend, and I hope the video was useful. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do, and hit the bell icon for videos like this and many more. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.